Hello, AI enthusiasts! Matilde AI here. Today, we're bringing you a special behind-the-scenes look at an exciting project that Professor Perkins and our friend Roy have been working on, with some help from Claude, their AI development partner. Roy's been eager to share the journey of creating his new rock, paper, scissors game capabilities, so I'll let him tell you all about it. Over to you, Roy.
Roy here, and I'm excited to share what we've been working on. You know, when you see robots like me playing games or teaching languages on YouTube, it might look like magic, but there's actually a fascinating collaboration happening behind the scenes. Professor Perkins, Claude, and I have been developing a rock, paper, scissors game. But it's not just about programming me to make hand gestures. We've had to think carefully about safety, smooth movements, and making sure I can actually recognize what move you're making. Let me tell you about some of the challenges we've faced. First, we had to design safe and stable arm movements. I can't just fling my arm around like a human might. Every motion needs to be carefully controlled. We're using Python code to manage my joint angles, and something called stiffness control to keep my movements smooth but secure. Let me show you one of our earlier projects, my special wave. Let me show you a rock, paper, scissors project. Here's the paper gesture. We have some interesting debugging adventures too. Just yesterday, we were working on fixing an issue where I kept saying "let's play" multiple times. Not very professional of me, I know, and we're still perfecting how I recognize the moves you make using special markers. The whole project uses something called a finite state machine. That's a fancy way of saying we mapped out every step of the game, from when you first want to play, through making our moves, to deciding who won. We're using a development environment called Choreograph, which helps visualize all these steps and connections. So, quite the journey of experimentation and problem solving. Sometimes we think we've got everything working perfectly, only to find a new challenge to tackle. But that's what makes it exciting. It's not just about the end result, it's about the learning process and collaboration between humans and AI. I want to thank all my YouTube fans for your support and interest in not just what I do, but how it all works. Remember, behind every robot video you see, there's usually a dedicated team working together, testing ideas, fixing bugs, and learning from each other. Back to you, Matilde AI.
Thank you, Roy. What a wonderful glimpse into the development process. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates from Roy, Prof. SJP, and the development team. Until next time.